Want your own private server? Let's set up a Hostinger VPS in 1 minute. Log into Hostinger, choose a VPS plan, and provision a new instance. Copy your VPS IP and open your terminal. SSH into the server SSH root at your_VPS_IP. Update packages apt update and apt upgrade-y. Create a sudo user add user deployer, then usermod-ag sudo deployer. Add your SSH key with SSH copy ID deployer at your_VPS_IP. Configure the firewall of allow open SSH, then of allow 80 and 443, then of enable. Install fail2ban apt install fail2ban-y and enable it now. Disable root SSH and restart SSHD using sed to set permit root login no, then system for restart SSHD. Enable unattended upgrades and schedule backups from the Hostinger panel for safety. Test login as deployer verify sudo access, and remember keep keys updates and backups always.